Okay, this is going to be for culture assignment number 2, the directions. So going into the Americas modules, and we're going to click on options for culture assignment. Okay, and then option 2, culture readings. You're going to choose 2 stories from the Americas culture stories, and then you need to fill out a 1, 2, 3 summary from each of those. So we're going to go ahead and click on this, and it'll take us to a different page. Okay, oh, and actually, I'm going to go back and get the copy of the 1, 2, 3 thing first. So yeah, click on this. There we go. Make a copy. And then click on this. Okay, so here are all the different, there's a lot of different stories that you can choose to read from about life in these different countries. So you're going to choose 2 of these, any 2, and then you're going to fill out this 1, 2, 3 summary. So you need to put the title of the text here, which one that you're reading. Okay, then you're going to think about the topic, write down 2 ideas about what you think you know about like that country or South America. Like, I know I've watched up a lot of times, so I can say, oh, I know that there's like jungles and really high like landforms in South America. Okay, after you read the text, write down information that you learned. So you're going to include things from the reading, okay, and write down 2 more things that you're interested in or amazed you in the text. Okay, and then this is where you'll fill out this one for the second one. Okay, and those are going to be that, and that's what you do. All right, and so then when you go back and after you read these, okay, you go back into modules, you're going to submit the assignment, and right here, America's culture assignment. Click on that. And then you'll have the blue submit button up here, and you'll attach it from your Google Drive, the copy. So, and that's the name that you would search for from there. And that's it.